So, two finals appearance. So, high school player pa namin siya nun. And then Kyle Napes, I remember, he was with UST Cubs yan eh. And then transferred to Cruz and si Heruta, which gives an advantage sa kanilang backcourt.
And Val Acuña scores on the other end.
That was a tough shot. May contact pa. Could have been a three-point play, but still able to finish. Coach Val. No, kasi ano na yan eh, head coach na yan ng, I believe, high school team ng New Era.
Yeah.
5 straight points para kay Coach Val.
Rodriguez gives up the foul here. Simple lang yung play na yun. Si Mark Cruz using that behind the back. Literal.
Ika nga sa lingwahe ng mga players si Delph. Yung mga ganong tira galing kay Val, alam na.
Rodriguez ahead to Acuña. Acuña, the off-balance shot, and Val Acuña up to 10 points quickly here in the third quarter.
7 straight, lahat galing sa kanya. Kaya naging 4 na ang kalamangan nila from down by 3 at the half.
And this is what Val Acuña can do for you. Late in his career, he can put together quick 7, 8-0 runs of his own.
Right.
57-45. Mark Cruz to do. Oh, he stays hot. 10 straight points para kay Val Acuña. 13 in the ball game. Alam mo na eh na mainit ang kamay ni Val and how streaky he is.
Dapat hindi mo lang patirahin, dapat i-deny mo na yan, huwag mo na patanggapin. That's 10 points in 2 minutes.
Oh my. And Val City up by 2. Acuña. Yes! Kailangan may bantay, Val. Kailangan ba may bantay?
Minsan mas maganda yung ganun eh.
Tied at 64.
Tira mo, bata!
He comes up with a steal. Tambelling. Jumper, good.
Pero sabihin ko sa iyo, kung hindi nawala sa balanse, si Baldon baka tinira niya yun.
That's our former 3-point champion. Val Acuña, foul on Kobe Monje. Getting outsmarted there by the veteran Val Acuña.
Now that's the advantage.
Val Acuña coming alive here in the second half. 14 of his 17. Tangan uminit to eh. Instant offense. Val Acuña is mahaba-haba na rin ang career ni Val ever since tumapo siya dun sa University of the East.
Yeah. Kakampi ko pa yan. Yung nakita niyo sa screen niya, kanyang may bahay at anak niya yun, anak niyang lalaki. Yes, nakasama ko yan sa PBL.
Saka sa nag-ABL din to.
Yes, we won a championship.
It shows you the competitive nature ng larong to, but Val Acuña. I can't say that he's turning back the clock because
he's been doing it.
It's never lost it.
Yeah.
The Jensen Warriors facing a 6-point deficit here.
Mason right now, obviously you want to go for the 3. And you have Val Acuña on the floor. You got to set it up with a couple screens. 3 screens to be exact.
Acuña
forced it. Oh, we foul.
3 free throws para kay Val Acuña. He's been quiet here in overtime. Pero di mo rin masisi kasi grabe rin yung depensa na sa kanya ng Valenzuela in the overtime period.
Dapat lang. 10 points in 2 minutes.
22 points for Val.
Pero tama ka, no? Binigyan siya ng attention. May stretch din na, you know, about the 6-minute mark up to the 2-minute mark, medyo nawala rin siya nung 4th quarter na yun. Nakaupo siya sa bench.